Hello there, and welcome to the Frumle tutorial for Java. So in this tutorial, we are going to discuss how to document a Java project. Here I have a simple Spring Boot Java project that I generated. It just has a couple of endpoints. We are going to see how to document this Java project. The first thing is, you come to your Frumle dashboard and you click on Create Project. Once you click on that, you select the language, in this case Java, and then click on Next. And then you select the type of installation you want. So if you have a Gradle project, you just use this to install the Gradle project. If you have a Maven project, you can either copy the dependency into your pom.xml or copy the build to your pom.xml. I already have the build in my pom.xml. It's very simple. You just have to check the current version. So just make sure that the current version is the same. Once you do that, you press Next, and then you copy the API key and then run it in your console. So we paste this. And then once that's done, it will show that the Frumle key has been added for this particular project. Now that's done, you can see that the steps are very simple. Just the same with JavaScript, just 3 steps. Okay, now then, the last step is this. Once you press Next, you see the code env and Frumle start, we copy that, go to our console, and then we paste this. Once you paste it, it's going to run, and once it's done, we'd come back here. So now it's done. We'll check on our dashboard to see if the project has appeared. Now we have the Spring Boot project on the dashboard, which has 4 files and just 2 endpoints. So we can open it and see our documentation. So basically, this is how you document a project using Frumle. Thank you for watching.